What's up, guys? John, Chicken Ship Farms. I haven't done a trucker video in a while, but we're actually just east of St. Louis. I believe this is 64. It's 64. We're at a rest area, but I gotta show you guys this. All right, as many of you know, rest areas are one way in, one way out. See how the lines are here? These are one way in, one way out. Well, if that's the case, why am I seeing the back of this trailer here? Oh, that's because this guy decided to come in. He came in here and he parked right there at the exit. My truck had to come in, so he had to move. So he backed up over there and pulled up, backed up, pulled up 4 or 5 times. Then he looped around, tried to miss the W9 that's parked on the other side. Backed in from over there, blind side, all up over the damn curb and the freaking sidewalk and everything. And all the time I'm sitting there wondering, does he know he can't get out from right there? I mean, right now there's nobody here, but he can't. He can't make that turn, especially if somebody pulls in beside him. But he got out and with a bag, mumbling and singing or something to himself, and just wandered off. I don't know, maybe he quit and that's where he's leaving the truck. He's like, how the hell are y'all come get it. But yeah, so there's some weird stuff out here, man. Weird. Y'all be safe.